Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your stuff. Back up important files and sync settings so changes are reversible. Next, pick a simple color palette. Consistency makes everything look intentional. Then you install an icon pack or theme from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store and apply a 1080p wallpaper image for crisp visuals. Once done, adjust display scaling and brightness so icons and text stay legible. These small first moves set the foundation for a cute, usable. Now you refine the interface. Move the shelf, pin favorite apps, and group shortcuts into labeled folders so the desktop looks tidy and curated. Then swap fonts and cursor packs to harmonize with your palette. This affects mood more than you expect. Install a small set of extensions for widgets, a translucent dock, and a compact calendar. Fewer, well-chosen add-ons keep performance smooth. Make sure to test responsiveness after each change so the Chromebook stays fast and stable. Finish by adding tactile elements, removable keyboard decals, soft case patterns, or magnets for stickers. These make the Chromebook feel personal. You also set a cute lock screen image and a short lock timeout so your style shows even when idle. If something breaks or slows down, disable extensions one at a time to find the culprit, clear cache, and reboot. Those steps resolve most issues. Finally, keep a backup of your theme and wallpaper so you can restore the look quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.